Take command of the road in the 2011 Subaru Forester. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All of the premium features expected of a Subaru are offered, including variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, and much more. Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive technology maintains a firm grip on the road. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.